Here we're going to make some taco tomatoes. They were really Ron's idea, and I thought it was a great idea. We have so many tomatoes from the garden, and I'm probably only going to make this one tray, although I have some more over here. And we've gutted these tomato slices up the long way, actually just down the middle, and then gutted them and put all the pieces in here, what was left over, then grinded them up with the little mixer. So now I'm just going to strain out the seeds, and in the meantime we have some ground up beef, really good stuff, and I want to grind that up too to make it softer, smoother. By really good ground beef I mean this is less fat, and they're very good on the grill, but I can also save more in the freezer and don't have to use it all. And then we're going to put in a little taco sauce into the blender with the meat. I prefer the mild because I can't really eat the pepper. So the ground beef is not fully cooked because it's going to be cooked again, and I'm going to put them in this little mixer to grind them up finer and put them into the cups here, the tomato cups. Now I've prepped the tomatoes with the inside layers of chips, and I used these to line it. They sort of fit in there pretty well. If not, I crunched some down to make them fit and have extra layer. I kind of doubled most of them because the thickness of the tomato was so big. I kind of wanted to balance them out with more chip. Now I'm ready to put in the ground up beef with the taco sauce in it. I'm going to backtrack a step. I'm going to decide to put in a layer of shredded cheddar, sharp cheddar, into these tomatoes before the ground up beef with the taco sauce in it. So that's a layer before the beef now. Okay, so now I've put the taco sauce on top of the thing so that everything will fill in together, and I'm using these small tin things that I keep on hand for just cooking, usually on the grill, and leave these guys out. We'll come back to them later. We want to get everything into this little tinier oven instead of heating up the whole kitchen in the summer. So next, I'm going to sprinkle some other cheese on top, grated, and try that on the top. Okay, so they're not going in long. They just really need a hot oven for a few moments just to heat it up. And melt the cheese and cook the meat inside just a little bit more. We'll see how these turn out. And here they are, and they were yummy. I tried one, but I can't eat too much. But I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And try not to overcook them like I did right over there. Some of them are overcooked, but there you go. Have fun.